Let's solve one beautiful math question in the easiest way. Ready? But before we start, try this question in your mind. You got it? Now, what's the easiest method to solve it so that you will never lose here again? We have given 77 divided by 7 into 7 plus 4. Here, as per our BODMAS rule, that is brackets, operation, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. First, we are going to solve inside the brackets. 7 plus 4 becomes 11. Now, the entire equation changes as 77 divided by 7 into 11. So, first we are going to do division here as per the rule. So, 77 divided by 7 becomes 11. Now, the entire equation changes as 11 into 11, which is 121. Therefore, the solution of 77 divided by 7 into 7 plus 4 is 121. If you found this video helpful, hit a like and share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tricky problems like this. Thank you friends, we will meet in a new interesting video.